Good morning, student. I am Kuldeep Srivastava. Today I am going to start your chapter 2, which is exponent. And in exponent, we see that exponent related to rational number and laws of exponent. It means there are many laws of exponent which is related to rational number. And rational number is what? Rational number, a number which can written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q both are integers, then that number is known as rational number. Then we are going to see laws of exponent with rational number. Let a upon b be any rational number and m and n be any integers, then a upon b whole to the power m into a upon b whole to the power n is equal to a upon b whole to the power m plus n. As we know that when bases are same, then powers are added. Here we see that a upon b and a upon b. This is base. A upon b is base and m is power, and a upon b is base and n is what? Power. It means we see that both bases a upon b, bases are same and powers are different. Then rule is when bases are same, then powers are added. Therefore we write a upon b whole to the power m plus n. Okay. Now we see example. 3 upon 2 whole to the power 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2 whole to the power 3. Okay. 3 upon 2 whole to the power 2, 3 upon 2 whole to the power 3. Bases are same. Base is 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2. Bases are same, but powers are different. Then we write base whole to the power, powers are added. It means 2 plus 3. 2 is the power of 3 upon 2 and 3 is the power of 3 upon 2. Then we write 3 upon 2 whole to the power 2 plus 3, which is equal to 3 upon 2 whole to the power 5. Okay. Therefore 3 upon 2 whole to the power 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2 whole to the power 3, which is equal to 3 upon 2 whole to the power 5. Okay. This is our first law. When bases are same and powers are different, then base to the power, powers are added. Okay. Now we are going to see second law. Second law, a upon b whole to the power m divided by a upon b whole to the power n, which is equal to, okay, when a upon b whole to the power m divided by a upon b whole to the power n, then a upon b whole to the power m minus n. Here in first law we see a upon m b whole to the power m into a upon b whole to the power n. There is product, but here we see that a upon b whole to the power n divided by a upon b whole to the power n, then we can write a upon b whole to the power m minus n. Okay. For example, 2 upon 3 whole to the power 5 divided by 2 upon 3 whole to the power 4. Okay. 2 upon 3 whole to the power 5 divided by 2 upon 3 whole to the power 4. Now when we apply this property, then we write 2 upon 3 5 minus 4, which is equal to 2 upon 3 whole to the power n. Okay. Now see third property. Third property is a upon b whole to the power m. A upon b whole to the power n whole to the power n. It means when we see m is what? M is the power of AB and AB is base of m. And when we see n is the power of A upon B whole to the power m, and A upon B whole to the power m is the base for n. Now we write A upon B whole to the power m multiplied by n. You know, suppose when we write 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 4, then what we write? Then 2 to the power 3, it means we write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 to the power 3 is equal to, we can write 2 into 2 into 2, but whole to the power 4, it means is 2 multiplied by 4 times, and there are how many 2? 3 2. Then 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 4 times for this 2, and multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 4 times for this 2, and multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 4 times. This is for this 2. Okay, but 4 times, then how many 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We can write 2 to the power 12. But why 2 to the power 12? Now we can write 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power 12. But how? 2 to the power 3 multiplied by, when we multiplied by 4 in 3, then we get 12. Okay, then 2 to the power 3 into 4 equal to 12. Okay, same as A upon B whole to the power m whole to the power n is, which is equal to A upon B whole to the power m into n. For example, when we write 1 upon 2 whole to the power 3 whole to the power 4 equal to 1 upon 2, this is m and this one is n. M into n, it means 3 into 4. 3 into 4, 1 upon 2 whole to the power 12. This is our third property. Okay, now fourth. Fourth property is A upon B whole to the power A upon B whole to the power m multiplied by C upon D. A upon B whole to the power m into C upon D whole to the power m. When bases are different but powers are same, then we write operation is multiplication, it means product. Then we write A upon B multiplied by C upon D whole to the power m. When bases are different and powers are same, then we write product of base whole to the power same power. Okay, for example, 1 upon 2 whole to the power 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3 whole to the power 2. Okay, 1 upon 2 whole to the power 2 into 1 upon 3 whole to the power 2. Now we write manual form. Okay, then we write 1 upon 2 whole to the power 2, it means 1 to the power 2 upon 2 to the power 2, 1 upon 3, when we expand, then 1 whole to the power 2, 3 whole to the power 2. Now we get the square of 1 equal to 1, 1 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 9. 1 upon 4 into 9, 36. Okay, 36. And when we write according to this property, when we apply this property, then we write 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3 whole to the power 2. It means 1 upon 1 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 3 whole to the power 2, 1 into 1, 1 upon 2 into 3, 6 whole to the power 2. Square of 1 equal to 1, square of 6 is equal to 36. This answer and this answer both are same, but this answer when we apply this property, and this is what, this is our manual method. Okay, now so this is for large number. When large number is given, then we apply this property. Fifth property is A upon B whole to the power minus m. A upon B whole to the power minus m. Okay. Here we see that when we write a to the power 3, when we write a to the power 3, then we write a multiplied by a 3 times, and when we write a to the power 2, then we write a multiplied by a, and when we write a to the power 1, then we write a. Okay, and when powers are in positive, when power of base is positive, then we write a into a. When power is 3 means positive, 3 is positive, then a to the power 3 equal to a into a, and a to the power 2 equal to a into a multiplied by 2 times, and a to the power 1 equal to a. And when we write a to the power 4, it means a multiplied by how many times? 4 times. Then a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a. A to the power 4 equal to a multiplied by 4 times, a to the power 3 equal to a multiplied by 3 times, a to the power 2 equal to a multiplied by 2 times, and a to the power 1 equal to a. And when we write a to the power minus 1, when we write a to the power minus 1, it means we divide by a in 1. And when we write a to the power minus 2, it means reciprocal of this number. Reciprocal of this number, it means 1 upon a to the power 2. And when we write a to the power minus 3 equal to 1 upon a to the power 3. And when we write a to the power minus n, then we can write 1 upon a to the power n. Same as when we write a upon b whole to the power minus m, then we write 1 upon a upon b whole to the power m. M is what? M is any integer. And here m is what? M is negative integer. But when we write a upon b whole to the power minus n equal to reciprocal of this number, then 1 upon a upon b whole to the power m, and here m is integer. Okay. For example, 1 upon 2 whole to the power minus 2. When we apply this formula, then 1 upon 2 whole to the power 2. 1 upon 4. It means 4. The value of 1 upon, we can write 1 upon 2 whole to the power minus 2 equal to 4. This is our fifth law of exponent. And next, last one. Sixth property, a upon b whole to the power 0 equal to 1. You know very well, if power is 0 of any numbers, then the value of a value is 0. A upon b is rational number, m means 0, 0 is also an integer, and when we write a upon b whole to the power 0 is equal to 1. here we can also write any number whole to the power 0 equal to 1. Any number, it means if the number is natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, whole to the power 0 is equal to 1. For example, 2 upon 3 whole to the power 0 equal to, we can write 2 to the power 0 upon 3 to the power 0. Number to the power 0 equal to 1 upon number to the power 0 equal to 1. 1 upon 1, it means 1. Therefore, we can write 2 upon 3 whole to the power 0 equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, we see how many laws of exponent? We see 6 laws of exponent. Okay. Thank you, class.